This is the unboxing of the Ryobi 18-volt stapler. This box does not come with a battery, but I'm going to use this very lightweight 1.5 amp hour lithium battery with it because I'm going to be using this. So if you look here on the sides of the box, looks like it's made in Vietnam. And here's a good picture of the specs. Here's what's in the box. We have the stapler. Have some paperwork. General safety stuff here. Review. And all the stuff you need for it. And so the staples will go in here. Squeeze this to open it. And here's some staples. They give you one free sleeve of staples, and then this is so that you can hang this from your belt. You can put that on either on this side or this side. I'm not going to put it on. So I've got plenty of battery here. So in order to make this thing work, you have to have this pushed in or it won't work. And what's neat is you can take this off, and if you're going to be stapling a cable, you can take this off and put it on down here like this, and you can see that the cable will go right through here. So you can put it on like that, and then this cable would go there, and here we can also take this off, and if we want, we can put this down here so that it can hold like a fabric in place. Pretty neat. They thought of a lot. They thought of a lot of stuff with this. Putting this belt clip holder on is pretty easy. You just stick it in here. You gotta take the battery out, and you just put this in right here. There, and it's in. And hang that on your belt clip.